Are you working hard to get a 95+% in boards? But unfortunately, that is not going to take you into the top colleges of India. It is the CUET exam now, which is your single gateway to get into top universities of India like DU, BHU, Jamia Millia Islamia and many others. Last year, 16 lakh students sat for the CUET exam, out of which only 1 lakh made it to the top universities. To crack this exam with a really good score, you need a rigorous practice as well as a quick revision in the last few days of the exam. iQuanta is launching its CUET 2024 crash course, where more than 200 students scored 100 percentile in CUET 2023. This is a rigorous preparation batch where we'll be having live classes on a daily basis. Along with that, we'll be solving a lot of CUET relevant problems, the past year papers of CUET, and you'll also be provided with a mock test series of 50 mocks through which you can really get a good score in CUET 2024. To be a part of this crash course, you can visit our website iQuanta.in/CUET and always call us on the number provided if you have any queries related to the course.